the back. 425. Josh, 400,000. Thank you.
And the
Songbird live on TVG.
racing
And they're off.
to the other runners. Set. Racing.
They're off.
Songbird's next
Dive and put to the test for the first time. And on the outside, Karina Mia's even with her. And they're coming into the final furlong. And what a coaching club, American Oaks. Songbird has repelled Karina Mia. Songbird has opened up a 3-length lead. Karina Mia has been left behind. Songbird has whistled past.
Songbird setting her own pace in front by a length and a half. Jade Princess is in second. She's a warrior, and Mara Rose.
It is Songbird in another scintillating performance today.
with speed, talent, and a trainer that knows how to get a horse to the winner's circle. Songbird will try to make it a perfect 4 for 4 in the Breeders' Cup Juvenile Fillies.
The nickname was fourth, 1 minute 42 and 3/5 seconds. Returning to the winner's circle is number 10, Songbird. Owned by Fox Hill Farms Incorporated of Richard Porter. Trained by Jerry Hollendorfer. Bred in Kentucky by John Antonelli. And ridden by Mike Smith. Songbird, a 2-year-old filly by Medaglia d'Oro out of Ivana Vinalot by Westacre.
By 6 lengths under a vice-like grip from Bellamentary and KK past the 8th pole, and once again Songbird has left them chasing shadows. This glamour filly is treating her rivals with absolute contempt. It's another pitch-perfect performance by Songbird. Second, either Bellamentary or KK.
Her final time was 1 minute 49.56 seconds.